All right, what else do we have going on? Marriott, you're still down there. Looking for a Nike entry, guys. So I have it up on the watch list here. If Nike drops down to, I'm looking about 82-ish, so it still has to come down another buck or so. But looking for an entry right in there. We'll still keep our eye on gold GLD, because we've been talking about the last few days. If that had gotten up to around the 121.75-ish area, that we'd look for a short there, so it's still up on the watch list.